Noun can be a person, woman, boy. Noun can be a place, planet, city. Noun can be a thing, umbrella, car. Noun can be an idea, a concept, love, friendship. Noun can be singular, one, plural, many. You normally add s to a singular noun, dog. Plural plus s, dogs. Nouns ending in s. Bus, plural plus es. Buses. Nouns ending in double s. Dress, plural plus es. Dresses. Nouns ending in sh. Brush, plural plus es. Brushes. Nouns ending in ch. Peach, plural plus es. Peaches. Nouns ending in x. Fox, plural plus es. Foxes. Nouns ending in z or z. Quiz, plural plus es. Quizzes. Nouns ending in consonant plus y. City, plural y becomes ies. Cities. Nouns ending in f. Wolf, plural, f becomes ves. Wolves. Nouns ending in fe. Wife, plural, fe become ves. Wives.